fuck?
I can get the quotation, I can give you the check. We can go to the collision center right here, straightforward. On the way, I just like to drop my son off. I don't want him to go through all this. And then you and I can work this out. I'm just requesting this.
No, if you leave the scene of the accident, I'm going to grab your license plate. I mean, I'm sorry, but...
I'm telling you that I will give you the check right now. We can go get the quotation.
It's not going to happen.
Okay, all I'm requesting, there's a collision center right here. They have done some work for me. We can go, I'll get my son dropped on the school, Christian Middle School right here.
The police are on their way to right here right now.
I just wanted to get this settled down, okay? I mean...
I understand.
I thought that you would not expect because this lane was clear. I'm not making any excuse or so. You know, you're right, I should have maintained the distance, but this is a turning place. You know,
right, and I turned into the median to make sure the left lane was clear.
You did stop unexpectedly. Okay?
No, I didn't actually. I had my brakes. I had my brakes on the whole way through here, and I don't want to hear your bullshit.
No.
Stop.